Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about how lead acid battery works. Okay, let's get into the topic now. So the lead acid battery normally generates electricity due to the chemical reaction with the electrolyte solution. It consists of two electrodes known as positive and negative electrode, which is immersed in this electrolyte solution. The positive plate will be lead dioxide and the negative plate will be lead. These two plays a major role in chemical reaction. There are two cycles known as charging cycle and discharging cycle. During charging cycle, this electron will get concentrated on the negative plate, and during discharge cycle the electron will flows toward the positive plate. So this is a simplified diagram of a lead acid battery. This is a positive plate, this is a negative plate, and this is negative terminal, and this is a positive terminal. Normally the battery will be like arranged with a one positive plate and one negative plate, one positive plate, one negative plate alternatively together, and all the positive plates are connected together to this positive terminal, and all the negative plate will get connected to this negative terminal. Now for your understanding, I am just taking one positive plate and one negative plate, and this is a vent to release gas. This positive plate is lead dioxide and the negative plate is lead. So normally this negative plate will consist of more electron compared to this lead dioxide, and the electrolyte solution is sulfuric acid plus water, which will be in the ratio of 1:3, and this ion sulfuric acid will get split into H plus ion and SO4 minus ion, and we are connecting this positive and negative terminal with a conductor, and in between we are connecting a load toward it, and once a load is connected, the electrons will start to flow from this lead to this positive plate, and due to this the bulb will start to glow, because as the electrons flows, the current will flow in the opposite direction to it, as this electron will get come into this positive plate, and now this electron will get react with this H plus ion. Normally this H plus ion requires one electron to form an atom, so it will attract this electron and will turn to atom, and now this atom will react with lead dioxide with this O2 and will form water. It will dilute the solution. Now once this reaction take place, now it will turn to lead peroxide, and now this sulfuric acid can able to react with lead peroxide. Before it was lead dioxide, so this sulfuric acid can't able to react, and now it can. So this H2 ion will react with O and form water, and this SO4 will react with Pb and form lead sulfate. Once this reaction take place, it will form a white crystal on this positive plate. Due to this reaction, the electrolyte solution will get diluted and will form more water, turn to water, and this is a chemical reaction during the discharge cycle. So normally during discharge cycle, this electron is supplied by this negative plate, which is a lead, so it requires electron, and this electron is supplied by this SO4 minus, and it will give its 2 of this electron to this negative plate and will form lead to lead sulfate. Now return to lead sulfate and will form a white crystal layer onto it, this also. And there is a continuous flow of electron, and the load which has been connected will be glow continuously. So I think now you understand the discharge cycle of battery. Now let's see how the battery gets charged. For charging, we need to connect a charger and the positive terminal to the positive plate and negative terminal to the negative plate. By connecting this for a charging process. Now what happens during this charging cycle means this H plus ion in this will react with remaining electrons and will be turns this H plus ion to H, and now this H will react with lead sulfate and will turn back to H2SO4, which is sulfuric acid. Now due to this reaction, now the diluted solution which has become water will turn back to sulfuric acid, which is normal as beginning. And this is how the charging cycle works. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you understood this topic. Okay, let's see in next video. Thank you guys.